Hello everybody, welcome to Taking the College Route with Bongi. My name is Bongekile Ralarala and today we are out and about. Let me be honest, I was hoping to take this video while sitting down, the intro. But that did not happen because I'm late. I have to rush to school, I have an exam. But as you guys have seen by the title, I'm going to purchase my very first multimeter. I'm besides myself with excitement. On a budget, like it says on the what's this? Like it says on the title. Anamal guys, ndingumntwe engenamali wena. Nalenza thenga ile multimeter. DP. But the mntu who buys important stuff, who buys things that will make her more money, ayiphiwe imali. Right? I know. Okay, anyway, let me just tell you how today's gonna go. Since I have an exam and all, I'm gonna start with my exam obviously, and then since I don't have the money with me right now, I'm just gonna go shopping for the multimeter. So I know a shop that Anywho Technologies used to use for testing instruments and some other electrical stuff. So I'm gonna go there after my exam and look for the multimeter that I can get. So I'm gonna take you guys with me because I have no idea what to look for, especially under budget. Now I know I want Fluke or at least Major Tech, but all of that stuff is expensive. I'm really hoping that I'm gonna get something that I can afford and that's gonna last me for a long time. May I please have that multimeter? Okay. Come let me show you the one that I wanted. So initially I wanted this one, which is Major Tech. But Major Tech is expensive. So it's second best after Fluke. I wanted it so bad, but then I couldn't get it because my budget, by the way, is not 1,000 rand, it's 900 rand. So this is 1,500 rand. I know, I'm sad. But yeah, let me show you the one that I'm getting. I decided to go for the Unit T brand. That one. That's what I could afford. It was better than the 251. I hope you guys can hear me. It was better than the 251 that I was advised to take. I know, right? Imagine. Sorry? It's Bongekile. Bongkile. Not sure of the size, but I'm going to do a proper unboxing of the multimeter. The exam did a number on me, but I think I don't feel it anymore. Oh, okay. Should I just go ahead and do it?
This new cameras are. Thank you.
So I can always return it.
Call again. Don't break it and bring it to
I'm not. I'm going to be very careful with it. If there's something wrong with it, I'll take another one.
Oh,
I'll take maybe tag.
no problem.
I'll see when we do the unboxing. Now a multimeter owner. Oh, this is gonna be mine. Hi guys. Okay, without wasting time, we're officially on day number 3. I can't believe it for such a short vlog. Anyway, I bought the multimeter at Century Electricals. It's in Vereeniging, but you can buy it anywhere where they sell testing instruments for electrical stuff. It came in this cute box. Okay, forgive me, everything is just going to be the other way around because I'm using my selfie camera. I'm using my phone for my videos. And then inside there was a manual. It says there should be a case inside, but apparently this is the case. Is this the case, guys? Does anyone know? Has anyone ever bought a multimeter here? Because they said it should have a case. A case? Please comment down below and tell me if this is the case that they are talking about, because I expected something really cute. In a lazy punyana. December is going to be so busy. I'm super excited. I have a plan. I hope it works. And these are the leads. These are the leads. One thing that was very important, and it's so unfortunate that the vlog didn't take the route that I wanted it to take. I couldn't take you guys with me when I went for shopping like I had promised, because it just got really busy. My phone died, my battery died, and I had an exam the next day. I had to go prepare for that exam, so a lot just happened that day, so I couldn't. But one thing that was very, very important that they told me was you can buy a cheaper multimeter. Like, you can buy the cheapest multimeter out there, as long as you're not going to test high voltages with it. Then you can buy this one. Okay, there's cheapest, which is 100 rands, 200 rands, and then there's this one, which is, this one was 906 rands 87 cents. So you can buy this one. You can test high voltages, but the most important thing in any multimeter is the insulation of the leads. If they are insulated enough to handle the heat. So yeah, that's the advice that I got that day when I went, because I did go, I just did not take a video. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Like, it helps with the algorithm. And I look forward to interacting with you guys in the comment section about whatever, really. I finished writing my exams. I am going to be focusing on you. Anyway, from me to you, it is goodbye. I will see you on my next video. Take care.